method to make this gene the very organic effect, but I will not like make the full tutorial to make the same effect. I will introduce how to make like the basic gene effect, how to make this shape. Then you can instance points on it or turn the curve into like mesh. So let's go to Blender 5.0 and go to Geometry node. Press New. Let's begin to create this. This effect is very popular in like product animation, especially in medical related animation. So I think maybe some artists want to see this. So here I will have a spiral and I will use transform to have another spiral. This is the first spiral, this is second spiral. I will rotate by z axis here, 90 degree. And then I will join them together like this. Preview it, yeah. And downside, upside have the different radius. That's not good. I want them to be the same, like this. And the height needed to be like 20. That looks like a gene, and we still need some lines between them. So before making the lines, I need to connect this to output here. And let's count the points here. It has 130 points here. So I need to have like maybe I need to preview the single spiral. 35 lines. So I need to have a mesh line and instance on points. Yeah, connect this to instance, and points I need to have 65. So points 65 and connect it to this, and then I have like here I can only see one line, but if I input a random value here, you can see many lines. Yeah, that's what I need. And here mesh line, I only need 2 points, so it looks like this. So that's the a line between the spiral curves. So next step, I need to put them between the spiral curves. So here I will only need one of them to show you how to make that. So maybe I need to not rotate this, just like this. I need to see the index of the points. It's 0 and 1. And if I preview here, the index is 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going up, and here is 65, 66. It's going up. So I needed to, like for this single line, I needed to change this 1 is okay, and this 0 is okay, and this one is not okay. I needed to change that index to 65. That's what I needed to do. And first I need to have to 65 points here, and they have random values like this, but I don't want it to be random, so I change it like this. So here I use sort element here, and you can see nothing happening here. We have instance here, so it's not showing the index, the right index of the geometry. So first we need to turn instance to geometry. We need to realize the instance. Then we have many points here, and like they are stacking together, and I don't want that. Maybe to see it better, maybe I copy a mesh line here, and the points is 65, and rotate. Yeah, rotate this. This step is like I just want to demonstrate it well. This is sometimes not necessary if you are making that. I just want to demonstrate how I make this. So the number changes like 0, 1, 2, 3, like going up. But I want to have 0 and 65 here. So I need to use sort weight. So here, I use the position to control the sort weight. Separate x, y, z. You can see this is x direction and this is negative x direction. And this is positive, yeah. So x and compare. If it's greater than 0.5, like the mesh, this mesh line is the length of it is 1. So if it's above 0.1, like this side, the number this side, they will be a group. But it's not really a group. It's just the weight is different. So here I connect to sort. So you can see 0, 65. And you check the spiral, 0, 65. So that's what we need. So we have what we need now. So next step is to set the position. Here. Then I will sample the index from this geometry. And what I want to sample is change it to vector. Remember that is a position and sample by index. So then I have the position information of the two spirals, and this value is corresponding with the index, the same index with the lines. So connected to position and preview. So we have this. Magic happened. And then what we need to do is just join them together. Join them together and check it. So that's the perfect spiral. So we can make it a preset like this is the integer connected to integer, and this is rotation. And you can find that the rotation and the index is like 32 and 2. 32 multiply 2 is 64. So I will need 65 points. So we can do it like this. There are a relationship between rotation, resolution, and the points. So multiply them and add 1. So I will get this number. So every time you change the rotation, you see, you can have this effect. You can make your animation and the rotation. So there are the infinite possibilities for you to make this animation. And let me save this. So this is the basic structure. And then after this, you can do everything. You can use curve to tube to make it a geometry. Because the upside, these curved lines, they are not curves. So if you use that node, you need to mesh to curve first here, and then you will have this 0.1. You can render this. It looks good. So for me, I didn't use that node. I use instance on points. I instanced many points here. So I use just points, not just 1 point, like many points, and use random position. Here maybe minus 0.2, and here copy that 0.2 minus max like this, and give it a random rotation. Sometimes you need to set radius, set point radius. It's too much big. So it will be like this, and you will find nothing instanced between them, because this curve line, it has only 2 points, so you need to have to add a resample here. Yeah, you need to have it here, not here, because if you add it before what I do, it will make a mess. So there are too much resolutions. So decrease the resolution, and maybe decrease the number of that, and maybe I add a sample curve here. Yeah, it looks like this, and rotation maybe 130. Just tweak the numbers. And for me, I instanced like multiple times on the curve line and on the spiral curves, and then make a separate render, like the points of the line I will create a material, and the spiral I will give it another material, and I will give other material. I also added additional points and additional material to it. So this looks not good, but you can just tweak that based on this structure, everything you want. So I just want to give you an idea. You can make the effect I demonstrated in the beginning. So this is what I want to share today. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.